Hello! So I posted this picture on my Instagram the other day and people went crazy asking for the recipe because I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. It's crispy skin, juicy chicken. Here's how I did it, you guys. I'm using 2 chickens because big family. I then added 2 tablespoons of Spanish paprika, followed by 2 tablespoons of salt. If you're making 1 chicken, you just have to have the recipe. And as always, the recipe details are in the description box below. I then added garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic. I emphasize that because I kept saying ginger and I had to redo my voiceover a couple of times. I also added some vegetable oil, just plain simple vegetable oil, and a little, about maybe half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Give that a good stir. Now at this point you'll know if you have enough vegetable oil or not. When it looks like that, you definitely need a little more vegetable oil. Maybe more, maybe a tablespoon more. Give it a good stir until it looks like this. I then got some rosemary. Look at how beautiful that color is. I love rosemary. It smells great and it goes great with meat. So that's how it's supposed to look. I then took a sprig of rosemary and put it in the chicken's cavity. Sorry. I know. I then proceeded to tie its legs. I'm literally closing my eyes at this point, you guys. I'm cringing a bit. Anyway, add your spice blend and massage it onto your chicken. Maybe not how I'm doing it. I don't know what I was thinking about. Obviously not food. Lord. My oven was preheated at 200 degrees, so I kept the chicken in there for about 20 minutes. I then took it out and covered it in foil. Reduced my oven heat to about 130 degrees Celsius and put my chicken back in there and cooked it for about 1.5 hours. I then grilled it for 15 minutes. I took the foil off and grilled the chicken for 15 minutes. And there we are. Take the drippings and just put that on top of your chicken. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, do hit subscribe. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to click the little bell icon so that you get notified when a new tutorial comes out. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. I love hearing back from you guys. And as always, happy cooking. Bye.